Hello, if you wonder how to enter the settings of your AirPods, you have to open the case to connect your AirPods to your iPhone. Okay, and right now we have to move to the settings. Click on the Bluetooth, click on this icon information, and as you can see there's a couple of options, like we can just rename our AirPods, change the noise control, the press and hold AirPods, AirTip fit test, automatic ear detection, and also the microphone. We can disconnect or forget this device. So set it up like you want and enjoy it. If I help you, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe our channel. See you in the next videos.